Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's ZIL video update for Saturday 16th of April. Now let's go back and have a little bit of refresher. What I noticed about ZIL is that you did have a big whopping falling wedge right over here, which was like this, that you broke out of the falling wedge and you start to move to the upside, and the technical target of that falling wedge was actually met. Do you see that? On a weekly time frame, I actually noticed that this was a falling wedge that actually went to the upside. So there's one more thing that people are not talking about, and you see on the daily we talked about the bear flag, which takes you down to the 0.08277. Okay, and so many people don't like the idea that I'm just telling them that it's bearish, but I'm just gonna have to be honest on this channel. So it is bearish, it's still bearish, and I'm still looking for this level. Put a big stop loss, trade with stop loss at 0.10288. Now the problem is that you do have this level of resistance which you haven't broken just yet. So if I actually show you this one on a weekly time frame, you are below it, because look on the weekly, you have one touch right over here, one touch right over here, another touch right over there. You broke out with a huge volume. You were supposed to actually hold this level to go to the upside, but what did you do instead? You actually came down to that line, you bounce off the line, make a dead cat bounce, and then you start to go to the downside, and it's potentially looking for a big A B C correction kind of retracement to the downside. What I'm going to show you though is the daily, and the daily time frame. I told you this, that all you did for ZIL is you went down, make a bear flag, you broke out of the bear flag, you went back for the retest, you failed the retest, and ever since then you are on a journey to go to the downside. Okay, so this has been a big resistance right now as well. The 0.11539 is a big resistance. You can even see you went to the upside and it was a quick wick and you closed below that line, because it's a weekly resistance. Okay, so the weekly resistance is what you're going to have to pay attention to, and my opinion still remains to go to the downside. Okay, that's all in this update, guys. So be careful while trading, and yeah, so unless you don't break the flag, as I told you before, you want to actually go back up, break the flag, and from there you're going to actually continue with the uptrend. And that's it for today's update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.